Hey, how's it going? This is Nick from Movie Nuts, and today what I wanted to do is mention that today is February 6th, 2023, and I'm going to go into a service. You've probably been hearing about ChatGPT and whatnot, and every time I go to ChatGPT, it gets a little hung up, and so what I'm going to do is use this other program that I love called Frase, F-R-A-S-E, and it's designed in my neck of the woods here in the Boston area. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you the screen, but I'm just going to walk through and talk out loud about what I'm doing. And Frase is an artificial intelligence tool, but also research tool and also blog writing tool. And they recently added some tools inside here that are synonymous with ChatGPT. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here, create a new document. Again, you can't see my screen. I guess I could, in the next video, I will share my screen perhaps. But I'm just going to go in here, type a search query, like the top films of the last 50 years. And what that does, that prompts the query to create a document, and it's going to search the internet for all of these different actually, it's going to search the internet and it's going to pull up all kinds of top rated websites across Google in different areas related to the top films of the last 50 years, and see if my mouse is working. That's great. There we go. Top 50 best movies. There we go. 20 best comedy movies, the great films of all time. It's still going here. Top 50 horror movies. New York Times is pulling in Deno F Geek, Empire Online, Rotten Tomatoes, we know those guys, BuzzFeed, Business Insider. And what that's doing, I think it's pulling the top 20. I think it's the top 20. Okay. Oh, it's still going here. Still going here. All right. Rolling Stone, The Ringer, filmsite.org. So these are all top rated websites across the internet that this is referencing. It's the greatest films of all time. Man, it's taking a while, isn't it? It's almost done. It should be all done. Come on. Anyway, the nice thing about Frase is it does deep research. It also shows you lists. It shows you some of the best resources across the internet and allows you to bring together all kinds of information in one spot. Okay, it's finished now, and the number one thing it pulled up was filmsite.org, not process, so it didn't look at that. And then what you can do is, I'm just going to go down here and click on one of these, and the 50 best movies, number 50, Undine, King Richard. Let's go view all sections. Going down to number 1. So the best movies of 2021. Oh, this is 2021. I get it. So what I can do is go to AI Write in here, like I was saying at the beginning of this. And what I'm going to do is go into chat, and I'm going to type in, please list the top movies of the past 10 years. And it's going to spit out, like ChatGPT uses that API. Okay, the top 10 of the top films of the last 10 years are Parasite 2019, Mad Max Fury Road 2015, Inception 2010, The Social Network 2010, Get Out 2017, Moonlight 2016, Toy Story 3 wow, Toy Story 3 was in 2010. That's amazing. The Shape of Water 2017, Birdman or the Unexpected Virtue of Ignorance. Birdman or the, yeah, I remember that. And then Inside Out was 2015. Interesting. Okay, and so what you can do from there is you can type in more related chats to these films. So for example, like I can type in, what is the philosophy embedded in the film Mad Max Fury Road. Now I'm referencing what was there before. So let's see. The philosophy embedded in Mad Max Fury Road is one of resilience, hope, and survival. The film focuses on the power of community, the strength of individuals to overcome overwhelming odds, and the importance of standing up for what is right. That's pretty cool. And then what I can do from there is bring this over into here, into the next. So I'm working one panel over here. It's kind of two panels stuck together. And so the philosophy embedded in Mad Max Fury Road, that text I'm gonna bring over into the main document here. And what I can do is I can actually go highlight this, I think it is, and then go write about this. And it'll just think, and it'll start rewriting and adding more to this. Mad Max Fury Road is a 2015 action film directed by George Miller and starring Tom Hardy and Charlize Theron, true. The film follows Max Rokitansky, a loner who is thrust into the middle of a post-apocalyptic wasteland where he must join forces with Imperator Furiosa to save the five wives from Immortan Joe, the tyrannical ruler of the wasteland. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to type, so this last thing that we talked about here, the philosophy embedded in Mad Max Fury Road is one of resilience, hope, and survival. Let's, I'm going to put in, are there any movies that have a theme about, I'm just going to copy this, hope and survival. Hope and survival in addition to Mad Max. Let's see if it, yes, there are other themes, look at this. Yes, there are other themes that have a theme of resilience, hope, and survival in addition to Mad Max Fury Road. Examples include The Shawshank Redemption, The Pursuit of Happiness, 2006, Hidden Figures, The Imitation Game, and Rocky. Wow. So right now it's spitting out some ideas, sort of like a rabbit hole of ideas related to this idea of hope, survival, and resilience. Of course, The Shawshank Redemption, The Pursuit of Happiness. What is that one about? Let's see what that one's about. The Pursuit of Happiness. Copy. What is The Pursuit of Happiness about? Oh, here we go. The Pursuit of Happiness. Oh, I remember this. Is this the one where Will Smith is the stockbroker? The Pursuit of Happiness is a 2006 drama film starring Will Smith. It tells the true story of Chris Gardner, a determined single father who struggles to make a better life for himself and his son despite facing numerous obstacles. The film highlights the importance of resilience, hope, and determination in overcoming adversity. Interesting. Hidden Figures. Let's see what Hidden Figures is about. What is the film Hidden Figures about? Okay. Hidden Figures is a 2016 drama film starring Taraji P. Henson, Octavia Spencer, and Janelle Monáe. It tells the true story of three African-American women who worked as mathematicians at NASA during the space race in the 1960s. The film celebrates the accomplishments of these remarkable women and emphasizes the importance of resilience, hope, and determination in achieving success against all odds. I think I've heard of this film. Again, this is, really interesting how things like ChatGPT or something along those lines allows you to dive into rabbit holes quickly. And so if you want to pursue a string of films that you want to research or want to uncover more about a subject, you can do that using ChatGPT or something related to that. And so, which is really cool. I think, let's see if another one is here. The Imitation Game. Let's see what The Imitation Game, I know what that's about, but let's just see. Okay, what is The Imitation Game about? Let's just see what that says. The Imitation Game is a 2014 historical drama film starring Benedict Cumberbatch. It tells the true story of Alan Turing, a British mathematician and cryptanalyst who helped crack the German Enigma code during World War II. The film highlights the importance of resilience and determination in the face of adversity and celebrates Turing's legacy as a pioneering computer scientist. Really interesting. So again, it's February 6, 2023, and this is just a quick film on the power of ChatGPT and how you can dive into rabbit holes really quickly. I hope this is helpful. And this is for movie nuts, which is what we are. We're movie nuts. And again, this is February 6th, 2023. Okay, we'll make another film in just a moment.